Have you ever dreamed of earning money online? Imagine this. You're relaxing at home, coffee in hand, and your phone pings with another sale. Welcome to the world of affiliate marketing. Don't worry if you're brand new to this. Affiliate marketing is perfect for beginners. It's a simple idea. You recommend products you love and you earn money when people buy through your special link. This isn't about getting rich quick, it's about building a real online income by helping people find awesome stuff. And the best part? You can do it from anywhere on your own schedule. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. Think Amazon, but better. Imagine you love a certain brand of coffee. You tell all your friends about it because it's just that good. Affiliate marketing is similar. You share products or services you love with your audience. Here's the key difference. As an affiliate, you get a special link. When someone clicks your link and buys the product, you earn a commission. It's like getting a thank you gift for sharing something amazing. Think of Amazon. They have millions of products. When you join Amazon Associates, you can recommend anything on their site and earn a commission. But it's not just Amazon. Many companies offer affiliate programs. Choosing the right niche is crucial for affiliate marketing. Your niche is simply the specific topic or area you focus on. It's like choosing your online specialty. Think about things you're passionate about or know a lot about. Do you love photography? Maybe you're a fitness guru or a tech whiz. These could all be profitable niches. Why is a niche so important? It helps you become an expert. People trust experts, and they're more likely to buy from you. Target the right audience. You'll attract people genuinely interested in what you're offering. And stand out from the crowd. It's easier to be successful when you're not competing with everyone else. Now that you have a niche, it's time to find products or services to promote. Many companies offer affiliate programs, from big names like Amazon to smaller brands. Here's how to find them. First, check company websites and look for links like affiliate program, partner with us, or become an affiliate. Next, use affiliate networks. Platforms like ClickBank, ShareASale, and CJ Affiliate connect you with thousands of programs. You can also search Google by trying something like your niche plus affiliate programs to discover relevant opportunities. When joining a program, read the terms and conditions carefully. Pay attention to commission rates, payment methods, and any specific rules.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Now comes the fun part, creating content. This is where your creativity and passion can really shine. Whether you're just starting out or you've been thinking about affiliate marketing for a while, this is your opportunity to connect with your audience in a meaningful way. Think of your content as a bridge between your audience and the products or services you believe in. The more authentic and helpful you are, the more likely people are to trust your recommendations and click on your affiliate links. This is how you'll share your affiliate links and attract people who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. It's not just about dropping links everywhere, it's about weaving them naturally into content that solves problems, answers questions, or entertains your audience. When you focus on being helpful, your audience will see you as a trusted resource, not just another salesperson. The key is to create helpful, informative, and engaging content that provides real value to your audience. Start by brainstorming topics that your ideal customer cares about. What challenges do they face? What questions do they have? What would make their lives easier or more enjoyable? By putting yourself in their shoes, you can come up with content ideas that truly resonate. So think about what your ideal customer wants to know or learn. Maybe they're searching for honest reviews, step-by-step guides, or tips to get the most out of a product. The more you understand your audience's needs, the better you can tailor your content to serve them. Here are some content ideas. Start with blog posts, where you can share in-depth reviews, tutorials, or personal stories about how a product helped you. Written content is great for SEO and can attract people searching for solutions online. You can also create helpful guides or listicles like Top 5 Tools for Beginners or How to Choose the Best Product for Your Needs. Or try comparisons of products in your niche. People love to see side-by-side breakdowns that make their decision easier. You can create charts, infographics, or even simple pros and cons lists to help your audience weigh their options. Or maybe try YouTube videos, create engaging product demos, how-to guides, or even unboxing videos. Video content is incredibly powerful because it lets your personality shine through and helps build a deeper connection with your viewers. You can walk them through the features, show real-life results, or answer common questions on camera, or vlog sharing your experiences. Take your audience behind the scenes, show them how you use the products in your daily life, and share honest feedback. Authenticity goes a long way in building trust and encouraging clicks. And of course, don't forget about social media posts. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok are perfect for quick tips, product highlights, and sharing your affiliate links with a wider audience. Use stories, reels, or even live sessions to interact with your followers in real time. Use eye-catching visuals and compelling captions to promote your affiliate links. High-quality photos, creative graphics, and short videos can grab attention and make your posts stand out in busy feeds. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles to see what resonates best with your audience. Remember, focus on helping your audience, not just making a sale. Answer their questions, respond to comments, and be genuinely interested in their needs. Building relationships is key to long-term success in affiliate marketing. Provide genuine value and the sales will follow. When your audience feels supported and informed, they'll be much more likely to trust your recommendations and click on your links. Get creative and share your affiliate links through various content formats. The more you diversify your content, the more opportunities you have to reach new people and grow your affiliate income. So start brainstorming, experiment with different formats, and most importantly, have fun with the process. Creating great content is essential, but it's equally important to build an audience that knows, likes, and trusts you. In today's digital world, people are bombarded with endless choices, so standing out means more than just sharing information. It's about forming genuine connections. When your audience feels a real bond with you, they're far more likely to support your work, share your message, and become advocates for your brand. These are the people who will become your loyal followers and customers. They'll stick with you through ups and downs, celebrate your wins, and even help spread the word about what you do. Building this kind of community doesn't happen overnight, but it's one of the most rewarding parts of being a creator or entrepreneur. So, how do you actually grow an audience that trusts you? Here are some effective ways to get started and keep growing. First, choose the right platform. Not every platform is the same, and not every audience hangs out in the same place. Think about where your ideal followers spend their time online. Are they scrolling through Instagram, watching YouTube, or reading blogs? Are you a natural writer, a video enthusiast, or maybe a social media butterfly? Play to your strengths. If you love writing, start a blog or share thoughtful posts on LinkedIn. If you're comfortable on camera, try YouTube or TikTok. The key is to pick a platform that matches both your skills and your audience's preferences. Pick the platform where you feel most comfortable and where your target audience hangs out. Next, be consistent. Consistency builds trust because your audience knows they can rely on you for regular updates, insights, or entertainment. It's not just about frequency, but also about showing up with your unique voice and perspective. Regularly post high-quality content to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Plan your content in advance, and don't be afraid to experiment with new ideas or formats. Over time, your audience will look forward to your posts and see you as a reliable source of value. And engage with your followers. Responding to comments, asking questions, and showing genuine interest in your audience's thoughts makes people feel seen and appreciated. This two-way communication is what turns casual viewers into loyal fans. Respond to comments, answer questions, and build relationships with your audience. Host live sessions, reply to direct messages, and encourage feedback. The more you interact, the stronger your community becomes. Remember, building a loyal audience takes time and effort. There will be moments when growth feels slow or you face setbacks, but persistence pays off. Every piece of content, every reply, and every interaction adds up over time. Be patient, be consistent, and focus on providing value. Stay true to your mission, keep learning, and always put your audience first. In the end, trust is built one interaction at a time, and that's what turns followers into a thriving, supportive community. Affiliate marketing isn't a set-it-and-forget-it business. It's a dynamic process that requires ongoing attention and effort. Success in this field comes from being proactive, staying engaged, and always looking for ways to improve. If you want to see real growth, you need to treat your affiliate marketing like a living project, one that evolves as you learn more about your audience and the products you promote. It's essential to track your results, analyze what's working, and make adjustments to improve your performance. Regularly reviewing your data helps you spot trends, identify opportunities, and catch problems before they grow. By keeping a close eye on your analytics, you can make smarter decisions that lead to better outcomes. Most affiliate programs provide you with a dashboard to track important metrics like clicks, conversions, and earnings. These dashboards are powerful tools that give you a clear picture of how your campaigns are performing. You can see which links are getting the most attention, which products are generating sales, and where your traffic is coming from. This information is invaluable for making informed decisions. Pay attention to these numbers. They tell the story of your affiliate marketing journey. Look for patterns in your data. Are there certain days or times when your audience is more active? Are specific products consistently outperforming others? By understanding these details, you can fine-tune your strategy for even better results. If you're seeing low clicks, maybe you need to improve your content or promote your links more effectively. Consider updating your headlines, adding more engaging visuals, or placing your links in more prominent locations. Sometimes, a small tweak in your content can make a big difference in how many people click through. If you have high clicks but low conversions, perhaps the product isn't a good fit for your audience, or your call to action isn't strong enough. Take a closer look at your messaging. Are you clearly explaining the benefits of the product? Are you addressing your audience's needs and concerns? Sometimes switching to a different product or refining your pitch can lead to much better results. Don't be afraid to experiment with different approaches. Try new types of content, test various promotional strategies, and see what resonates best with your audience. A/B testing headlines, calls to action, or even the placement of your affiliate links can reveal surprising insights. Remember, what works for one audience might not work for another, so keep testing and learning. The more you track and analyze, the better you'll understand what resonates with your audience. Over time, you'll develop a deeper sense of what drives engagement and sales. This ongoing process of measurement and improvement is what separates successful affiliate marketers from the rest. Stay curious, keep learning, and always be ready to adapt your strategy for even greater success. Here are some bonus tips to help you succeed as an affiliate marketer. Do be transparent. Disclose your affiliate relationships to your audience. Honesty builds trust. Promote products you genuinely believe in. Your authenticity will shine through, and your audience will appreciate it. Provide value first, sell second, focus on helping your audience solve problems or achieve their goals, and the sales will follow naturally. Now, don't spam your links. Don't bombard your audience with endless links. Focus on quality over quantity. Don't make false promises. Be honest and realistic about the products you promote. Don't overhype or exaggerate. And don't give up too soon. Affiliate marketing takes time and effort. Be patient, stay consistent, and you'll reap the rewards. Congratulations! You've just taken your first steps into the exciting world of affiliate marketing. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time to build an audience, gain their trust, and start seeing consistent results. But by focusing on providing value, helping others, and staying true to your niche, you can achieve your online income goals. So what are you waiting for? Choose your niche, find your products, create amazing content, and watch your affiliate marketing journey unfold.